How do you fix Super Robot Wars Y is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11 and then go to the installed files tab and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you want to close Steam and then open up your browser. Now you will need to install the redistributables. This link is going to be in the description. You will need to get to this table here and install the 86 installer and the 64. Make sure to get these two and install them, which will require a computer restart when you're done. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you'll need this NVIDIA app here, where you can go to drivers, check for updates and install them from here. And if you're running AMD, you'll need to install the AMD software and do the same thing. Next, you'll need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.